You may start, please.
Today is the big day to think of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles and triumphs, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. A warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. On behalf of Balwant Rai Mehta Vidya Bhavan family, I Prachi welcome you all to our Founders Day celebrations. Today, we remember our founders and celebrate what they envisioned years ago. This is the day we all wait for a year. It is a day of celebration, success, and tradition. Doing hard work is our job, and getting success is God's grace. Let us light the lamp and pray to God to fill our mind with wisdom, peace, strength, and joy.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
प्रज्वलन की परंपरा के निर्वाह के बाद गणेश जी की वंदना करते हैं, जिसे प्रस्तुत करने आ रही है दूसरी पाली की छात्रा।
Hope we are blessed with good wishes for this program. Before we unfold the colors of the cultural feast, I request our respected director, sir, to welcome our honorable chief guest.
Good morning to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On behalf of chairman of the school, members of the management committee, both the principals, morning shift, Ms. Richa, and the second shift, Ms. Vandana, the members of the staff, and the lovely children of the school, I extend hearty welcome to our honorable chief guest, Director of Education, Shri Udit Prakash Rai, to the Founders Day celebrations, 156th birth anniversary of our founder, Sher-e-Punjab, Lala Lajpat Rai, and also 100th anniversary of Society, which was founded by Lala Lajpat Rai, Sher-e-Punjab, and inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, in 1921. We also extend a hearty welcome to our dignitaries from Transparency, from Servants of the People Society, Rotarians, well-wishers, parents, and many more dignitaries who have joined. Well, we are indebted to you, sir, for gracing this occasion. Our children and the teachers would like to imbibe your qualities of hard work, conscientious hard work, working round the clock. I mean, always on the toes from morning till night, I should say. He first of all goes and inspects the schools in the morning, then goes to the Directorate of Education, meets the people, clears the files, then goes to the health department. That is, he's looking after the two departments, education and a special secretary of health in the new secretariat. Sir, we would like to really take all the qualities from you. I mean, when you took over as Director of Education, you have started promoting the digital education. During this pandemic time, you were kind enough to promote online learning and teaching process. It was really great of you, sir. And then during this time, the children remain active and always try to learn from the people. Sir, I would like to also imbibe your qualities. I mean, I wish my children also imbibe your qualities. Whatever qualities you picked up from BITS planning, you joined BITS planning, did in education engineering in Rajasthan. And there you picked up, sir, the qualities of looking after the unfortunate, less fortunate people and the downtrodden people. So kindly, these qualities I wish that my children also pick up in the school itself. They also look after the people who are really less fortunate, and you have been very kind in looking after our children with the special needs and also the children who belong to the humble background. Sir, we are a little different from others. Our school is a little different. Sir, we are known that this school is meant for the poor people. Very children who come from really modest beginning, modest background. Sir, this school not only is for the poor, we are known for inclusive education. We are the pioneers in this integrated education in this field. And today we have got 500 children in the school. In addition to this, we were fortunate to be declared as a model for inclusive education. We are also pioneer in commencing the second shift in unaided private schools. Our school also took the lead. And more than this, we also promote and provide professional scholarships. The children who go to the engineering colleges, the medical colleges, other places, we get the scholarships for them, for those children to continue their education. And then in addition to this, we actually are very fond of giving values to the people, values to our children. We nurture them to become good human beings in life. And the Lalaji's qualities of integrity, honesty, and patriotism, we wish to imbibe, we wish to cultivate among our children who are in the school. Well, sir, Admiral Talyani, who was the naval chief, he took over as the chairman, and he also promoted kindness, goodness among my children. He used to say, I want Sabir Bhatia from my school. The children must pick up the computers. Then with him, other divine person who was Bauji, he donated 2.3 crores. And now sons of both the people, Tarun Talyani and Shri Jain Saab, they are helping us in this field. From Admiral Talihani, the children were so inspired. The children with the poor background, they joined Navy, Defense Services, and from Bauji and Tarun Talihani and Arun Jain, they joined the corporate world. They got inspired, joined the corporate world, and many of them are defense services, engineers, doctors. Then joined corporate world, and really, the children from the humble background, they have all these qualities. Sir, we have been very kind that Shri Raghunathan joined as IAS officer, as Chief Secretary of Delhi Government as Chairman after the demise of Admiral Talihani. The children became defense officers, they joined the corporate world. When Shri Raghunathan joined, then again, first of all, he taught all the teachers, he trained all the teachers in the digital education. And no doubt he made Delhi a digital Delhi. And now the children got inspired, they started joining IAS. I would like to submit here, sir, this batch, this year, a girl, Mamta Yadav from our school, has cleared the IAS examination, and she will really make us proud. They will get also inspired from you, sir. Many people will join the IAS lobby now. Well, sir, with this, I would like to just say like this, well, sir, we are fortunate. Many dignitaries, the President of India, Abdul Kalam Saab, Vice President Kishan Kanji, now Shri Gujaral, sir, and many more dignitaries from national level as well as international level, they have joined. Sir, I would not take more time because the program is there. Our belief, generally, we always say, hard work never goes rewarded, and together we can make impossible possible, sir. Thank you very much for joining. And then again, our small request, as you've been very, very kind, our special need children need your help, sir, need your blessings. Really, it will be kind of you, sir, to help us. Thank you very much. We can also request the organizers to start the function. Thank you very much, sir, for joining. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are truly blessed with the presence of our honorable chief guest. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Today is the 156th birth anniversary of our founder, the great freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai, who has left behind a legacy of nationalism, unity, and strength. Let us look back upon the struggles faced by him and all that he accomplished in his life.
जो ना झुका अंग्रेजों के आगे, खाई लाठी जिसने भरपूर, जान देकर भी अंग्रेजों का घमंड किया चकनाचूर। तुम भारत के लाल, तुम्हारे साथ बाल और पाल, तीनों की थी गजब की तिगड़ी, अंग्रेजों की नींद ने उड़ी। बेकार नहीं गया तुम्हारा बलिदान, भगत सिंह ने सैंडर्स का किया काम तमाम, फिर फांसी के फंदे पर झूलकर खुशी खुशी दे दी जान। स्वभाव आपका था गरम, पर दिल के थे बड़े नरम, हर भारतीय की एक ही राय, अमर रहे लाला लाजपत राय। Popularly known as Punjab Kesari, Lala Lajpat Rai was born on 28 January 1865 in Jagraon town of Ludhiana district. The Allahabad session of the Indian National Congress in December 1888 marked the start of his political career. He was not only a good orator, but also a prolific and versatile writer. His journal, Arya Gazette, concentrated mainly on the subjects related to the Arya Samaj. He founded the Servants of the People Society, which worked for the freedom movement as well as for social reform movement in the country. Following the footsteps of the revolutionaries, who were always ready to make their supreme sacrifice for the sake of India's independence movement, he led a procession to demonstrate against the Simon Commission. He was made the target of brutal lathi charge in which he was badly injured. A meeting was held in the same evening at which Lalaji, wounded and aching, spoke with such vigor that his words, "Every blow aimed at me is a nail in the coffin of British imperialism," become historic. He recovered from the fever and pain within 3 days, but his health continued to deteriorate, and on 17th November 1928, he passed away. Lalaji founded Servants of the People Society at Lahore in 1921 with the Tilak School. Mahatma Gandhi inaugurated the society on 9th November 1921. With the partition of the country, the society shifted its base to New Delhi. The society has an unbroken record of dedicated service to the people of our country and is celebrating 100 years of its existence. Servants of the People Society aspires to train the national missionaries to work for the educational, social, cultural, economic, and political advancement of the country. The society has been running numerous philanthropic projects and educational institutions in India. Lalaji donated his bungalow and library to the society. The society has a vocational training center at Masjid Maud School, a public library, charitable medical clinic, and homeopathic dispensary at Lajpat Bhavan, and a home for senior citizens at Dwarka. Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Anguri Devi Sher Singh Memorial Academy, an integrated school, staunchly adheres to the beliefs and virtues of Sher-e-Punjab Lala Lajpat Rai. Our school firmly believes that the personality of children can be transformed or molded to become upright, good human beings. We instill the qualities of integrity, honor, sacrifice, persistence, and perseverance among our students.
A hearing impaired student, another with intellectual deficiency, and some others fortunate to have no disability, all in the same school. Yes, ours is an integrated school, and we have championed this wonderful idea for many decades now.
Welcome to Balwantrai Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Anguri Devi Sher Singh Memorial Academy. We firmly believe that the children with disabilities and children with full abilities, when studied together, both groups benefit.
This school is set up under the Servants of People Society, a great organization set up by one of the great sons of pre-independent India, Lala Lajpat Rai, the Sher of Punjab. One of his grand visions was for education for all. Our family is committed to continue with the financial support for the upgradation of the present school. I humbly request all of you to come forward and provide the necessary funding so that we may achieve the dreams and goals of Sher-e-Punjab Lala Lajpat Rai.
This unique, prestigious school was established by two divine personalities, Admiral R.X. Talihani, the former Chief of the Naval Staff, and also the Governor of Sikkim, and Shri Uber Senji, philanthropist and industrialist, who donated 2.3 crores.
We began with virtually nothing. Teachers who taught in the school would go house to house asking for mushti daan, or a fistful of donations. We depended on the generosity of strangers. Slowly, we built on the school with the great foundation of our values. As it was then, so it is now. No child is refused admission. No student suffers as a result of financial difficulties at home.
The objective is to make them self-reliant, productive individuals who can lead a life of dignity, fully assimilated in society.
The hawker, petty shopkeeper's son, has become defense officer. There are many more to narrate. The disabled children have done well, and they are well settled in their respective lives. They are earning. They are not a parasite on the society.
And it's not only about studies. we get all the support and encouragement we need to bring out our creative talents, art, music, theatre, writing, debating. Our school believes in total personality development.
And who can ignore sports? We believe in a healthy mind in a healthy body. Every year we take part in so many sports tournaments. Let us have a look at some of the trophies we have won.
हमारा विद्यालय लाला लाजपत राय के पद चिन्हों का अनुकरण करता है तथा इस विद्यालय का प्रत्येक छात्र इस विरासत को और अधिक ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाने के लिए तत्पर है।
अब भारत के वीर सपूत लाला लाजपत राय जी के योगदानों को बताने आ रहे हैं SOPS के चेयरमैन।
साथियों, आज हम यहाँ लाला लाजपत राय जी की जयंती के अवसर पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं। आप सब जानते हैं कि लाला लाजपत राय जी सर्वेंट्स ऑफ द पीपल सोसाइटी के संस्थापक थे। लाला जी के बारे में जो देश जानता है वो ये जानता है कि लाला लाजपत राय जी स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के, जो आजादी के समय में जो हमारा स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन था, उसके अग्रणी नेताओं में से थे और वो राष्ट्रीय नेता थे। उनका जीवन चरित्र तो बहुत बड़ा है, अगर हम उस पर चर्चा शुरू करेंगे तो बहुत समय लगेगा, लेकिन उनके जीवन के संबंध में कुछ बातें मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूं। सबसे बड़ी बात तो लाला जी एक बलिदानी नेता के रूप में जाना जाता है। दूसरी बात, लाला जी का जीवन जो था वो एक निस्वार्थ भाव से जीने का जीवन था। वो त्याग की मूर्ति थे लाला लाजपत राय जी। उन्होंने अपने जीवन काल में भी जो कमाया या जो भी उन्हें पैसा मिला वो उन्होंने राष्ट्र हित के लिए ही खर्च किया, और अपने जीवन के अंतिम समय में उन्होंने अपनी चल और अचल संपत्ति उसके द्वारा सर्वेंट्स ऑफ द पीपल सोसाइटी की स्थापना की। सर्वेंट्स ऑफ द पीपल सोसाइटी की इस वक्त भारतवर्ष में लगभग 18 ब्रांचेज हैं और सेंटर्स हैं। लाला जी स्वदेश भिमानी भी थे। उस समय जब ये आंदोलन चल रहा था, एक अमेरिकन लेडी थी मिस मेयो, उसने पूरे विश्व में भारत के इस आंदोलन को बदनाम करने के लिए किताब लिखी, मदर इंडिया। उस किताब को पढ़ के लाला लाजपत राय जी को बहुत गुस्सा आया। उन्होंने उसको वैसे तो इजहार नहीं किया, लेकिन उन्होंने उसका जवाब भी एक किताब लिख कर दिया, और उस किताब का नाम लिखा उन्होंने अनहैप्पी इंडिया, उस किताब का नाम दिया। और उस किताब के द्वारा उन्होंने ये साबित करने की कोशिश की जो इस वक्त भारत की जो दुर्दशा है वो आप लोगों की वजह से, हमारी वजह से नहीं है। इसी तरह से एक बार लाला लाजपत राय जी से मिलने कुछ विदेशी लोग आए, अंग्रेज लोग, और वो लाला जी के सामने अपनी वीरता का बखान करने लगे कि देखो हमने भारतवर्ष को कैसे जीता। तो लाला जी को ये हमेशा खराब लगता था जब भारतवर्ष के बारे में कुछ बुरा बोला जाता था। तो उन्होंने कहा, देखिए, जो आपने हमारे देश पर विजय प्राप्त की उसका कारण ये नहीं था कि आप वीर थे, उसका कारण ये था कि आपके पास में आधुनिक हथियार थे और हमारे देश में राष्ट्रवाद की कमी थी, राष्ट्रीय एकता की कमी थी, इस वजह से आप लोग जीते। तो लाला जी के बारे में ये बात भी प्रसिद्ध है कि वो कुशल वक्ता थे। जब वो बोलना शुरू करते थे तो अगर वो चाहते लोगों को रुलाना तो वो देश की जब दुर्दशा का बयान करते थे लोगों की आंखों में आंसू आ जाते थे। तो ये उनके कुशल व्यक्तित्व का वो था। वैसे लाला जी की अगर जीवन को हम कुछ शब्दों में समेटना चाहें कि उनका जीवन व्यक्तित्व क्या था, तो वो एक ओजस्वी वक्ता थे, वो प्रतिष्ठित लेखक भी थे। लेखक के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, लाला लाजपत राय ने कई किताबें लिखी जिसमें उन्होंने गैरीबाल्डी, मैंजनी, ये ऐसे देशभक्त थे जिन्होंने अपने देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए काम किया, इसलिए वो उनके जीवन से प्रेरित होकर उन्होंने ये किताबें लिखी। अपने देश के कुछ महापुरुष थे जिसमें शिवाजी थे, दयानंद जी थे, इनके ऊपर भी उन्होंने किताबें लिखी। एक उन्होंने यंग इंडिया किताब भी लिखी। इस तरह से किताबें अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए वो एक अच्छे लेखक भी थे। इस तरह से उन्होंने कई किताबें लिखी। तो प्रतिष्ठित लेखक थे, प्रखर संपादक थे। उन्होंने कई न्यूज़पेपर्स का भी संपादन किया। और लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी जो हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री भी बने, जब वो हमारे सोसाइटी के लाइफ मेंबर बने तो सबसे पहला काम लाला लाजपत राय जी ने उनको हरिजन उद्धार का काम दिया, मेरठ में एक कुमार आश्रम की स्थापना करके। तो ये संक्षेप में मैं कहना चाहूंगा, लाला जी का ये जीवन था। उनके जीवन से प्रेरणा लेकर मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि हम अपनी शिक्षा के द्वारा जो भी काम करें वो देश सेवा का काम करें, और अपनी देश की एकता और अखंडता को बनाए रखने के लिए हम सभी धर्मों का सम्मान करें, हम प्रत्येक जाति का सम्मान करें, हम कोई ऊंच नीच का भेदभाव न रखें। इन सब चीजों को अगर हम साथ लेकर चलेंगे तो मैं समझता हूं कि लाला लाजपत राय जी का सपना पूरा होगा और जो उनके उद्देश्य थे वो पूरे होंगे। धन्यवाद।
It was indeed a glowing tribute to our great founder. Life is a dance where the beginning is the hardest, but when you started to flow, you glow. Our next performance is a fabulous Bengali folk dance by our hearing impaired students celebrating the beauty of Mahua tree.
একেবারে মানাইছে না রে লাল পাহাড়ি দশে যা রঙ্গামাটির দশে যা লাল পাহাড়ি দশে যা রঙ্গামাটির দশে যা ইতক তোকে মানাইছে না রে একেবারে মানাইছে না রে লাল পাহাড়ি দেশে যাবি হাড়ি আর মাদল পাবি লাল পাহাড়ি দেশে যাবি হাড়ি আর মাদল পাবি লাল পাহাড়ি দেশে যাবি হাড়ি আর মাদল পাবি মে মরদের আদর পাবি রে ও নাগর একেবারে মানাইছে না রে लाल पहाड़ी दसे जा रंगामाटिर दसे जा इतक तुके मानाई छे ना रे एकेबारे मानाई छे ना रे नदीर धारे शिमुले फूल নদীর ধারে শিমুলে ফুল নানা পাখির বাসা রে নানা পাখির বাসা নদীর ধারে শিমুলে ফুল নানা পাখির বাসা রে নানা পাখির বাসা সকালে ফুটিবে ফুল মনে ছিল আশা রে এমন ছিল আশা তুই ভালোবেসে গেলি চলে কেমন বাপের বেটা রে তুই কেমন বাপের বেটা লাল পাহাড়ি দশে যা রঙ্গামাটির দশে যা ইতক তোকে মানাইছে না রে একেবারে মানাইছে না রে ভাদর মাসে ভাদু পূজা ওরে ভাদর মাসে ভাদু পূজা ভাদর মাসে ভাদু পূজা ভাদু গানের ঘটা রে ভাদু গানের ঘটা ওই কালো মেয়ে তার মন মজাছে ওই কালো মেয়ে তার মন মজাছে গলায় দিব মালা রে তার গলায় দিব মালা তুই মরবি তো মরে যা একেবারে মরে যা মরবি তো মরে যা একেবারে মরে যা হিতাকে তোকে মানাইছে না রে ও নাগর একেবারে মানাইছে না রে लाल पहाड़ी दस जा रंगा मतिर दस जा लाल पहाड़ी दस जा रंगा मतिर दस जा तक तुके मनाई छे नारे इके बारे 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 मना
देश पर कुर्बान होने के जज्बे को लेकर हम शामिल होते हैं अगली देशभक्ति से ओतप्रोत प्रस्तुति के ओर।
अपना करेंगे, है वतन
Very lively and inspiring lyrics. The song has stirred up the feelings of patriotism inside us. When you really want something, the whole universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Coming up next are the students of second shift. They are going to enact the inspirational story of the well known novel The Alchemist, written by the Brazilian author Paulo Coelho. Here it is.
Hello everyone, let me take you to a magical journey and show how an ordinary shepherd pursues his dream and finds the treasure.
A recurring dream troubles Santiago, a young and adventurous and diligent shepherd. He has a dream every time he sleeps under a sycamore tree that grows out of the ruins of a church. Santiago consults a gypsy woman to interpret the dream.
You came so that you could learn about your dreams, and dreams are the language of God. But I am going to charge you for the consultation.
I will pay. You know, a child in my dream transported me to the Egyptian pyramids.
If you come here, you will find a hidden treasure.
And just as she was about to show me, I woke up.
Well, you don't have to pay me anything now. You must go to the pyramids of Egypt, and if you find the treasure, you have to give me 1/10 of it.
I didn't need to waste my time just for this.
I told you that your dream was a difficult one. It's the simple things in life that are the most extraordinary. Only wise men are able to understand them.
Well, how am I going to get to Egypt?
I only interpret dreams. I don't know how to turn them into reality.
Iago left disappointed and thought that he would never ever believe in dreams. He left his flock at the gates of the city in a stable and started to read the book he had bought. Just then, a strange, magical old man sees him and tries to strike a conversation with him.
What are you reading? Oh, it is that book which talks about the world's greatest lie. That at a certain points in our lives we lose control of what's happening to us and our lives become controlled by fate. That's the world's greatest lie.
That's never happened to me. My father wanted me to be a priest, but I decided to become a shepherd.
Much better. Because you really like to travel, you must follow your personal legend.
Who are you and where are you from?
I am Melchizedek, king of Salem.
Santiago thought people say strange things. It is better to be with sheep who don't say anything, or the books that tell incredible stories. At the time, we want to hear them.
Why the king of Salem would like to talk to a shepherd?
The reasons are many, but the most important one is that you have succeeded in discovering your destiny. It is what you always wanted to accomplish. In our early stages, we are not afraid to dream and yearn for things we want, but
As the time passes, a mysterious force begins to convince us that it is impossible to realize one's destiny.
Santiago Pontus. How did he know that he met the gypsy woman who interpreted his dream?
Mysterious force?
It is a force that appears to be negative but actually shows you how to realize your destiny. To realize destiny is a person's real obligation, and when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Give me 1/10 of your flock and I will tell you how to find the hidden treasure.
The old man convinces Santiago to sell his flock and set off to Tangier. When Santiago arrives in Tangier, a thief robs him, forcing him to find work with a local crystal merchant.
I need some work, as I need to reach Egypt and see the pyramids.
Egypt? That is too far. I can give you money to get back to your country, my son. But even if you clean glasses for an entire year, you would still have to borrow money to get to Egypt.
I will work for you, as I need to buy some sheep.
Santiago's innovative ideas bring a magical growth in the business of the crystal merchant, and he becomes a rich man in just a year. Santiago decides to cash in his earnings and continue pursuing his personal legend to find treasure at the pyramids.
He joins a caravan crossing the Sahara Desert towards Egypt and meets an Englishman who is studying alchemy. He learns about the Philosopher's Stone.
Philosopher's Stone that can turn lead into gold.
He also learns about the liquid called the elixir of life that can cure all ills. They reach an oasis where they meet an alchemist. The alchemist joins Santiago in his journey.
What should I do now?
Continue in the direction of the pyramid. There is nothing to fear about. Every search begins with the beginner's luck, and every search ends with the victors being severely tested.
After a few more days of adventurous journey in the desert, he reaches the pyramids. But then again, he is attacked by some tribal refugees. Although he fell to the sand and was bleeding, he told his attackers about his dream vision.
You believe in a worthless dream and came here? I also had a dream about a treasure being buried in an abandoned church in Spain where a sycamore tree grows.
The church is the same one in which Santiago had his original dream, and he finally understands where his treasure is.
You old sorcerer! You knew the whole story. You also left money for me so that I could return. Couldn't you have saved me?
No. If I had told you, you wouldn't have seen the pyramids. They are beautiful, aren't they?
It is all about pursuing your dreams by following what your heart desires. The most important thing is to have a goal, and it is the journey towards achieving that goal which transforms us. The real treasure is who we become. Thank you.
अब बढ़ते हैं अपने अगले कार्यक्रम की ओर और अब प्रस्तुत है गुजराती नृत्य।
काटे हूँ तो मुरली बगाड़ूं, जमुना ने काटे हूँ तो मुरली बगाड़ूं, मुरली बगाड़ी तारा डलडारी जाऊं, मुरली बगाड़ी तारा डली जाऊं, मुरली बगाड़ी तारा डलडारी जाऊं। हे बागी ये भी मुरली ने भूली हूँ तो बान, हे बागी ये भी मुरली ने भूली हूँ तो बान, बागी ये भी मुरली ने भूली हूँ तो बान। शाम आवी ने मारी मटू की फोड़े, तुम्हारा शाम आवी ने मारी मटू की फोड़े, मारी मटू की फोड़े, तुम्हारा शाम आवी ने मारी मटू की फोड़े। चार पांच गो बाड़िया टोड़े बड़ी ने, चार पांच गो बाड़िया टोड़े बड़ी ने, एक भी जाने कांधे चढ़ी ने, एक भी जाने कांधे ने। मटू की ना मोरली मारे मारो श्याम, हे मटू की ना मोरली मारे मारो श्याम, मटू की ना मोरली मारे मारो श्याम। श्याम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा श्याम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, श्याम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा श्याम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े। हमारे हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे, हमारे हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे, हमारे हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे, हमारे हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे। शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े। शाम हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे, हमारे हमारा मारू बल्लोनू गाजे। शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े, हमारा शाम आवी ने मारी मट्टू की फोड़े।
अद्भुत सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम की आखिरी प्रस्तुति, जिसे प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं जोश और जुनून के साथ स्पेशल विंग के विद्यार्थी।
La
बच्चों ने तो कमाल ही कर दिया। अब विद्यालय के वर्ष भर की उपलब्धियों को आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए मैं माइक पर प्रिंसिपल मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट ऋचा मैम को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
A very good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, members of the School Managing Committee, distinguished guests, teachers, students, and all the parents who are watching us live on YouTube. Let me take you all through the exciting journey of teaching and learning throughout the year 2020. Our school has produced 100% CBSE board results in class 10th and class 12th. To begin with, in science stream, we have Nitish Chauhan with 96.5, Jafreen Khan securing 95.8%, Mukesh Kumar Mandal 95.4%. In commerce stream, we had Kamal Agarwal with 96.4%, Ankit Khandelwal 96.2%, Harshita Jain with 95.8%. In humanities stream, we had produced the school topper Ekta Chaudhary securing 98% marks, followed by Muskan Abbasi at 97.4%, Shashank Rawat at 95.4%. Our students from class 10th, we had Anurag Gupta scoring 94.5%, Tisha 94.3%, and Tarun Saha from 93.1%. Students from special wing, we had Nishika Jadon securing 91% from special wing and Varsha Gulia from HI wing securing 76%. Our students from second shift, Nandita Yadav is the school topper from both the shifts, securing 97.2%, Sanskriti Rai 96.2%, Ankur Kumar Singh 94.4%, Manvi Shukla 94.4%, Gautam Kumar 93.8%. We have Lalit Singh securing 95.6%, Pushpanjali 92.2%, Anjali Kushwaha 92%, Vishesh Kumar 91.8%, Prachi 91.8%, Vanshika 91%, Saurav Khanal 90.6% and Tejas Grover 90.6%. Congratulations, dear students. We are proud of you, and my sincere thanks to dear teachers for their hard work and dear parents for their support. Our school has installed the Atal Tinkering Lab this year to promote innovation through artificial intelligence and robotics. Our teachers from Maths, Science and Computers department have undergone training to guide our students in AI and robotics. I am proud to share that our students from Special Wing and General Wing are learning coding for projects such as face recognition based on AI and robotics. The students have participated in Artificial Intelligence Virtual Symposium 2020, and they are learning how to create circuit board for robots. During pandemic, our teachers conducted classes on Microsoft Teams. My sincere thanks to our Honorable Chairman Shri S. Raghunathan for his vision and foresightedness that we started the training of our teachers of ICT in 2017 itself. So a shift from online to offline to online classes was an easy task for us. Let me take you through all the activities that we conducted online. We had language weeks, mathematics, Ramanujam Day celebrated online. Next, we also have students and teachers participating on Toycathon, wherein they conceptualized new and innovative toys to celebrate Atmanirbhar Bharat. Next, we had teachers and students participating in Shresth Bharat activity, wherein they explored the flora, fauna, food, culture, art, religion, and demography of the state Sikkim. Our students attended online heritage quiz workshops and wrote articles for newsletter. And I would like to share the contribution of these children actually made the school receive the Intact Special Mention Award at all India level. Last year, we had Tarun Saha and Anurag Gupta of class 10th who participated in CBSE Ganit Challenge, and they were among top 100 performers at all India level. Lalaji Martyrdom Day 2020, an online essay writing competition was conducted, and Muhammad Adil received first prize and Mumtaz Parveen from second shift received third prize. I am also proud to share that students Satyam Kumar Mishra and Vinay Kameta from second shift also received Inspire Award Manak. The students from second shift also were awarded for maximum participation in Indian Center for Plastics in the Environment, wherein Sakshi Shukla received the third position at North Zone, and her mentor, the teacher, Mr. Tushar Bhardwaj, TGT Science from second shift, was also awarded. Pratibha Sharma from second shift, a student, also won first rank in the Recycle Upcycle Challenge. Our children from special wing participated in a cultural program at the President House. It was also a proud moment when they presented folk dance at the Parliament House, which was witnessed by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Our students also went to Orissa on the occasion of 100 Years of Samaj, a newspaper under the aegis of Servants of the People Society. Our children from Special Wing made us feel proud. I also would like to give a special mention to two students from Special Wing, Devansh, who is a special need child who has won many competitions in music. He is now getting trained at Anand Milan Academy. My special congratulations to Shubhankar Roy Chaudhary from class 9th of Special Wing, who has got first position in salad making competition organized by Special Olympics. There were many competitions won by our special need children online in art, culture and music and computers. I would also like to mention about Varsha Gulia from Special Wing, who participated in 80th Delhi State Annual Athletic Championship 2020, wherein she won gold medal in discus throw and secured 6th position in shot put. I am proud to share that the Government of India gave certificate of recognition to our school for successfully organizing Fit India School Week in the month of December 2020, wherein students, teachers and parents participated in all the activities online with us. Another proud moment wherein my colleague, Mrs. Vandana Babarwal, principal from second shift, was conferred with Guru Vandan Chhatra Abhinandan Award by Bharat Vikas Parishad for best class 10th result at regional level. Nandita Yadav, the class topper from second shift, and her class teacher, Miss Jyoti Arora, were also awarded. The second shift teachers, Mr. Gaurav Kumar, Vinita Khokar and Jyoti Arora, were also awarded by AKS Education for their contribution in the field of education. Mrs. Gayatri Chabra, computer teacher from second shift, was awarded IT Guru Award 2020. It was for her exemplary contribution towards the field of computer science teaching. A proud moment, Mrs. Shelly Gandhi, TGT Mathematics from morning shift, was also awarded Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam International Educators Honor 2020 for her exemplary contribution in the field of education. A proud moment again wherein our HOD, Mr. Jogender, last year was felicitated for his contribution in the field of sports at the zonal level. Last, I would like to quote the words of Mother. The finest present one can give to a child would be to teach him to know himself and to master himself. Essentially, the only thing you should do assiduously is to teach them to know themselves and choose their own destiny, the path they will follow, to teach them to look at themselves, understand themselves, and to will what they want to be. And at Balwant Rai Mehta, we want our all students to be Lala Lajpat Rai, to carry the legacy of our founder and to be human being first. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for highlighting our achievements. Now, I would like to request our honorable chief guest to say a few words on this special occasion.
Good morning, all. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee of Balwant Rai Mehta School for inviting me, and would like to congratulate the whole team, the whole school on their Founders Day. It is very befitting that we are celebrating this Founders Day on the birth anniversary of our great leader, Sher-e-Punjab, Lala Lajpat Rai ji, on his 156th birth anniversary, and as well as the 100th anniversary of the society formed by him in 1921. The director of the school, other dignitaries, parents, students who have been participating in this function. It is very heartening to know that the students which have come out of the schools have won laurels in all the walk of the life. And especially Director Sir has already mentioned about Mamta Yadav, who has come with flying colors in the UPSC exam. And I hope and believe that the students of Balwant Rai Mehta School, in whatever walk of life they choose, in whatever field of academics or any other professional job they choose, they come up with flying colors. But when we talk about this, when we celebrate this Founders Day today, we also need to keep in mind that this last year has been a pandemic year, and our students, although we have been trying our best to be in connect with them through the online or semi-online methods, but our students need much more focus, much more support from us and from the teachers and the school. In this pandemic year, we should, as reminded by the chairperson of the society, we should definitely remember our leader, Lala Lajpat Rai ji, and his commitment, his patriotism towards the country. And we should also ensure that, as the school has already been doing, कि जिस तरह से उनके जो commitment और जो ideals the school has been trying to inculcate in our students, and I was observing the different programs which students were performing in the Founders Day celebration. It was very good to see them having the same kind of passion about the country and the school and the society. It was very good to see that, because I believe that if we are making an engineer, or we are making a UPSC aspirant, or we are making a doctor, if he doesn't have that values in their education, we are just making a machine. So we are not making a machine, we are making a human. We are making a citizen of this country. So there's a difference between a person with the value and the person who is just performing their task. So I always believe that the education is the bedrock of any social movement which we can bring in this country. So if there is a riot in the country, and a chief minister calls the police chief and says that the riot should be controlled within 2 days or 3 days, I also want that the chief minister should call the director education and tell him that I want this riot and this anti-social elements to be curbed within 2 years. You come out with a plan, and within 2 years, 3 years, you inculcate such a behavior in the students that these kind of things should not happen in the society. So I believe that education, the school education, can do that which no other walk of life, no other agency can do. So when I see Balwant Rai Mehta School, when I meet Director Sir, I always see that the kind of passion the Director Sir and the school brings in the students, that is what is needed in all the schools. So that is why when I was invited by the Director Sir, I was very pleased to attend this, because I can see today also when the Founders Day celebration was happening, I could see in each and every student the kind of passion, the kind of values the school has thrived to inculcate in all of them. And it was very good to see, and I believe that this will, I would, as soon as this pandemic goes off, I would be very delighted to come physically and be a part of the school, and would like to learn from the school itself. How can we have more of the schools have this to have those schools, our government schools, to give so much importance to the values? Because as I said, if we are not imparting values, we are just creating machines, and we are not here to do that. So thank you very much, Director sir. Thank you very much,
Thank you, sir.
all the
Thank
dignitaries
you.
who have been part of this. And
Thanks.
it was very delightful morning to have to become a part of this Founders Day. And I wish all the best to the school. I would definitely be present physically next time, and would like to learn a lot from the school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Great. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir, in abundance.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Vandana, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Words of appreciation. Let's make the end of this function with a vote of thanks and appreciation and gratitude to all those who made it a grand success. I request Principal Second Shift Vandana Beberwal ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Prachi. On behalf of the management, staff, and students of Balwant Mehta Vidya Bhavan, Anguri Devi Sher Singh Memorial Academy, I take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of our Founders Day. It is my proud privilege and great honor to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Udit Prakash Rai Ji, Director Education, for accepting our invitation and gracing today's celebration despite his very busy schedule. Sir, we are indeed indebted to you for sparing your invaluable time and blessing our children with your august presence today. Sir, ours is a unique institution committed to provide quality education to the children from humble backgrounds in an inclusive setup. And yes, as you spoke about value education, sir, the motto of our school is to nurture children into good human beings. Sir, I'm quite confident that your presence amidst us today has really inspired our young children to aspire high and work hard to achieve their goals. Sir, I was fortunate to have watched your interaction with the UPSC aspirants from Delhi schools, and it was truly humbling. The humility with which you motivated the young minds really speaks high of you. Your words of encouragement today will surely help our children to dream big and soar higher and higher to achieve their goals. It's all about realizing one's dreams after all. I wholeheartedly thank Shri Rajkumar Ji, Chairman Servants of the People's Society. Sir's words always give us a new insight into Lalaji's philosophy. I extend my deep gratitude to our respected officiating chairman, Sir Shri Arun Jain Ji. We are beholden to Bauji and Sir and his family who always believe in giving. With folded hands, I would like to express my gratitude to other members of the Servants of the People's Society, school management, all esteemed guests, benefactors, donors, well-wishers and friends for joining us this morning and gracing the occasion. I thank all our dear parents for their continued support throughout the period of the COVID pandemic, be it online classes or the celebrations. All has been possible on this digital platform with their support. My heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. I'm thankful to our Honorable Director, Sir, Group Captain Bhari, Sir, for always motivating us in all our endeavors. I thank our Assistant Director, Deepa Ma'am, for her unconditional support and guidance. I'm thankful to Geeta Ma'am and my colleague Richa Ma'am for their support and cooperation in making all the programs a success. From the bottom of my heart, I thank all the in-charges, teachers, and other staff members from all the wings of both the ships for their untiring efforts and dedication in making this program a success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my lovely children for putting up such a wonderful show. God bless you all, and may this new year brings new tidings for all of us. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, Vandana. Very good job. Good. God bless you. Thanks a lot, all the dignitaries, actually, all the people who have come from the other organizations, and that is Servants of the People's Society, Transparency International India, our other school, Lajpat Bhavan School, Rotarians, Bharatiya Vikas Parishad, and many more distinguished guests who have joined us. And I'm really grateful to Udit Prakashji. He's been very kind to accept our invitation. Actually, he was a great source of inspiration for all of us. And then our motto of hard work, he also believes in that, really good. And I am thankful to the parents for supporting us, for doing a great job in looking after the children at home during this time. Our teachers who are always dedicated, conscientious, hard workers, without their help, it's not possible to run the school. They have been very, very supporting, very cooperative to take on the classes online, as well as be with us in all the activities. I'm really indebted to all of them, and it is because of them that we are surviving. God bless you all. Really, once again, thanks to all of you for joining us and encouraging us for this function. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद मैम, धन्यवाद सर। चलते चलते मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी, चिरागों को आंखों में महफूज रखना, चिरागों को आंखों में महफूज रखना, बड़ी दूर तक रात ही रात होगी। मुसाफिर हैं आप भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, किसी मोड़ पर फिर मुलाकात होगी। इन्हीं ख्वाहिशों और शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी का धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Komal. Thank you.